ocean where the water's so blue lives a friendly dolphin, jumping high for you. Splish, splash, dive and play. The dolphin's having fun all day. Sea animals swim so free under the waves in the big blue sea. Let's meet them one by one. Come along, it's so much fun.
Gliding so smoothly like a flying kite. Here comes a manta ray, such a graceful sight. With wings so wide, it sweeps the sea. A gentle friend for you and me.
Mr. Octopus with 8 long arms, waving hello with all his charm. Gliding by, oh what a sight. He hides in coral when it's night. The tiny seahorse holds on tight to a seaweed strand with all its might. It bobs and sways in the ocean deep, a magical creature you'll want to keep. The sea seal claps and swims so fast, diving deep and having a blast. With shiny fur and a happy face, it loves to play in this watery space. Deep in the sea swims a big friendly shark. With a dazzling grin, he's a real sea spark. He loves to glide and wave hello. In the ocean currents he puts on a show. The little sea turtle swims so slow, carrying her home wherever she goes. Through the reef and sandy floor, she's a friend